Hey, you. Here's Tommy Cat. Okay. I just talked to the bird rescue people in Nepean, Ontario, which is just at the beginning of Ottawa. I know where their place is, where to take the bird. I'm roughly familiar with the neighborhood anyway, so there'll be no issues um, getting the bird there, other than the truck may lay down on me. There is that, but I'm pumping up the rear tire right now. It was down to 22 pounds of pressure. It should be up around 40. So I'm pumping that up. Yeah, I've got the bird in the truck right now. He's all belted in. Got the seat belt there, everything, so the pail doesn't go flying around or whatever in the truck if I have to make a sudden stop or anything like that. Of course, the brakes are also bad, so there really won't be any sudden stops unless I hit something. That'll stop it in a hurry. But anyway, yeah. Anyway, I talked to the guy. I described what's going on with the bird, and he said it does sound like there's an injury to its leg. And I told him, I said, well, even the fact that I was able to catch it indicates that there's an issue. And he said, well, yeah, that's kind of a rule of thumb that we go by. He said, if you're able to catch a wild bird, then chances are there's a problem. That shouldn't happen. So that shouldn't be possible, really, So he figured the fact that I was able to catch the bird, he agreed with me that even that indicated that there was an issue. But anyway, I got the bird in the pail in the truck. I checked him this morning, and he's alive. He's just in there looking up at me when I pulled the towel off. I've got the towel, got a bungee cord wrapped around to keep the towel in place. Anyway, I know where the place is roughly. I just got to get up there and get back without having any issues with that truck is all. I wasn't planning to go on any long trips with that truck, so I guess this is going to be a real test. If it doesn't lay down on me on this trip, then it's probably okay. We shall see. Alrighty. Oh, Rocky's inside sleeping. There he is there. He doesn't often go under the covers, but he's under the covers right now. Oh, you know what? I got to put the garbage out. It's a good thing I saw all this mess, because I got to put the garbage out. All right. Anyway, I'll see y'all later. It is a beautiful day. We did get a frost last night, though. We actually did get a frost. So it was cold last night. But it's a beautiful day today, anyway. All right, in Mr. Tom's neighborhood. We'll see you later. Bye.